Hello, welcome to Scryers Emporium. This is Charlotte and welcome to another Wolf Week special, and I'm going to be opening 12 of these set boosters. Now 4 of which we have allocated to ourselves, which means that 8 of these are up for grabs on our eBay store. You are welcome. So I'm going to open these 4 first, 2 of which are for Ben and 2 of which are for me. So you get a nice art card. Ooh, I love these plains cards. Let's skip through some of these commons. Look at the uncommons: Flesh Taker, Corpse Cobble, Outland Liberator, and on the other side got Frenzied Trapbreaker, and then a lovely showcase artwork of Harvest Tide Infiltrator, and then on the back we got Harvest Tide Assailant. That's a nice showcase, and then another showcase which is Candlegrove Witch. Now that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful artwork. And then the rare is an Unnatural Growth. At the beginning of each combat, double the power and toughness of each creature you control until the end. Whoa! And a Soul Guide Griffith foil. That is a shiny foil. Wow. Don't know whether I want this one or the other one, because Ben managed to open Plains as his lands and I wanted Plains. So I might steal his. Right, so there's an island, got a jack-o'-lantern just in time for Halloween. Evolving Wilds, skip through. Got Dissipate, Fading Hope, Vengeful Strangler, which turns into Strangling Grasp. It's an enchantment that is day or night. That is interesting. Then we've got another showcase artwork, which is Tavern Ruffian. And then we've got another one that is Kessig Naturalist. That looks interesting. And it's a flip. Oh, I think the other one is as well. Tavern Smasher. And then Lord of the Ulvenwald. That's a mouthful. Oh! The Celestus is the legendary artifact and a rare, and then Candlelit Cavalry is the foil, and we have a human token. So I wonder if Ben wants the Celestus. I'm going to put them all together and then we can fight over them. Human token on top. Right, and then these 2, I think these are going to be mine. Again, I'm just going to keep them together and see what happens. Nice artwork, a forest. I love the land artworks. Go through the commons. And we have Field of Ruin. By the way, these are set boosters, just so you know. We have Field of Ruin. Clear Shot, then Shady Traveller, switching into Stalking Predator. Grr. And then another showcase, Dawnheart Mentor, which doesn't flip, it's just that. Oh! And the rare Florian Voldarian Skian, a Vampire Noble. He has First Strike. Wow. And that's a showcase. That is a nice card. And we have Vadric Astral Archmage, which I also got in my pre-release. So I'd have one of these. Oh, and then a Dawnheart Wardens as a foil. And a list card. Interesting. Lesser Gargadon. Interesting. Whenever Lesser Gargadon attacks or blocks, sacrifice a land. that is interesting. Set boosters, I forgot, have a chance of a list card. Oh, that's an artwork for the mountains, I think. That's pretty. And we've got a mountain. Hey! And then we've got Harvest Sentry, Timberland Guide. Then we rock up with the Firmament Sage. Can't read. Nebelgast Intruder. Delver's Secrets turns into Insectile Aberration, which is a flying creature. Got one of these, which turns into Whale Drifter. And then a lovely showcase artwork. Spellrune Painter. Turns over into Spellrune Howler. And then we have Arlinn the Pack's Hope. Legendary Planeswalker. And she's a mythic. And she turns into the Moon's Fury. So she's a werewolf too. Lovely. And then we have Path of Festival. They are nice. Got another Arlinn. I think Ben got an Arlinn. Now, I've got one. I might have to barter the lands off him though. Because I want the planes. He's already got a planes. I want a planes. I want one of each one. That's what I want. So they are mine and Ben's. And these ones, the next 8, are going to be on our eBay. So let's see what one of you guys can get. Oh, foil planes. Look at that. Straight off with the foil planes. Tapping the window. Let's go through these commons quickly. Let's get to uncommons. Blade Stitch Scarb. Ghoulish Procession. Morbid Optimist. Heirloom Mirror, which flips into Inherited Fiend. Demon. And then another showcase of Harvesttide Infiltrator. I think we've got one of them. And then Suspicious Stowaway. And then another foil, Deserted Beach. Nice for the foils, this one. And then a zombie token. That was a nice one. 2 rares in there. 2 rares and some showcase. That's nice. Let's have a look. Another planes. This time normal, but these borders are quite nice because they're not quite a foil, but they just add a bit of dimension and a bit of shine. So they're nice. Right. Might of the Old Ways. Instant. Skip through. We have Necrosynthesis. Vivisection. Bird Admirer, which turns into Wing Shredder. Ambitious Farmhand, which turns into Seasoned Cather. And then another showcase. Lovely showcase, which is Tireless Hauler. Turns into Dire Strain Brawler. And then Burly Breaker, which turns into Dire Strain Demolisher. And then we have Giza Glorious Resurrector as the rare. Lovely artwork. Loads of zombies on it. And then we have Hobbling Zombie as the foil. Looks a bit like Mike Myers there. It's an interesting one. Oh, and a list card. Fool's Tomb. Tome. Whatever you want to call it. Next up. Ooh, nice vampire. We have an island. Skip through these. Don't want to see that. Turn the Earth. Rise of the Ants. Bird Admirer. Wing Shredder. We had that. Kessig Naturalist. We've had one of them before. Tireless Hauler. We've had one of them. And the rare is Rem Carolus, Stalwart Slayer, and he is a legendary creature. And Eaten Alive is the foil. And one of these for your ones that turn over. So, let me put the foil, put it in there. Only a few piles today. We're not doing a full box just yet. I'm excited for when we actually get our hands on one. Ooh, nice purple swamp. I like the one that I've got the house in. I like that one. Right, let's go through the commons. Yep, One Eye. Contortionist Troop. Mentor, Bird and Mine, we got one of them. Another Tavern Ruffian in Showcase. Another Tireless Hauler in Showcase. That's a popular one. Bird Admirer in a Showcase. That's nice. Let's show the other side. Wing Shredder. And then Grafted Identity as the rare. And a Loyal Griff as a shiny. It's a hippogriff. It's like Buckbeak. I like them. Ooh, a forest. Infernal Grasp. 100 pound Ecstatic Awaken. I've got one of these. Awoken Demon. I think I have, or Ben has. One of us. He has a Lunarch Veteran, I know that much, because he's used it against me. And then we've got Candlegrove Witch again as a showcase. And then the rare is the Briarbridge Tracker. It's nice. Ooh, Unnatural Moonrise Sorcery as the foil. Nice card. And another zombie. 3 more boosters to go. What are we looking for in these? Brennan 7. See if it happens. Let's have a look. Broodweaver. Revival. Oop, Shady Traveller is the showcase. Harvest Infiltrator is the showcase. And we have a Geist Flame Reservoir as the rare. And we have Otherworldly Gaze, which I used in my game the other day as the foil, and a Day to Night card. Penultimate pack, penultimate set booster. Ooh, we got a mountain. It's the Mind Gaze. Otherworldly Gaze, sorry. Oh, we've seen 2 showcases of this one. Dawnheart Wardens. I've got a Tavern. Oh, there's the Tavern Ruffian as normal. Lunarch Veteran again. Ooh, Baneblade Scoundrel as the showcase. Then Dawnheart Mentor. And then we have Consuming Blob. And our first mythic, I think. I can't remember. It's a mythic. It is mythic. I got this one in my pack. Ooze. And then we have Diagraph Horde as the foil. And an arena code. Oh, it's not a code, it's just a card. Right. Last one. Renin 7. Here we go. I wonder how many Rens. Is there a Renin 1? Renin 2? Renin 3? Who knows? Well, you guys probably know. I don't remember. I'm new to this. Right, another mountain. Although different artwork to that one. Let's have a skip through. Diagraph Rebirth. Grizzly Gowl. Gowl? Since when is Ghoul Gowl? What's wrong with me? Spell Rune Painter. Spell Rune Howler. Bird Admirer again. Village Watch is a showcase. Bird Admirer is a showcase. Another Candlegrove Witch. This showcase is popular. And the rare is Ghoul Caller's Harvest. and Outland Liberator as the foil. Oh, and another list card, Necromancy. I wonder if these list cards are worth anything. Fool's Tome and Necromancy. We'll see. So, these are all up for grabs, these ones. These ones are ours, but these ones are all up for grabs on E of Bay. So check out the link in our description. Check out the Facebook page too. We put updates on there of whatever's new on eBay, so you can see we don't always post everything on YouTube of what we are going to be putting up. Make sure you comment on the video, tell us what cards you've pulled, which ones you like, which ones you're looking forward to, what you're most excited for. You know, release on Friday, couple more days, exciting. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button because you don't want to miss out on anything. So with that being said, this is the end. You made it this far. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.